We're coming to you this morning from AT Motorsport at the moment. It's around about 6:30 in the morning. We've got here nice and early to load up the race car because we're going to be going all the way down to Knockhill up in Scotland. We're going obviously for Fordlive this weekend, so Fordlive is going to be on Sunday with the headline sponsors. So we've got lots of things going with us in regards to like stuff for the stand, but obviously more importantly the race car is going to be there, the race car is going to be out on track, so for anyone that is going, it'll be a nice opportunity to see the car in action in the flesh. I think we're expecting to get there today at around about 5 o'clock so that we can set up the stand at the circuit, and then obviously we'll spend the night and we'll be up at the crack of dawn tomorrow morning so that we can get everything ready for you all. So look forward to seeing you there. Let's move on and we'll catch you probably on the road somewhere. Is it too early for this? Oh fucking cunt. So that hasn't gone to plan. Trailer broke, so don't know how long we'll be. Don't know if we're going. Might not even, might go home. I think Reese broke it though. Did you break the trailer?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is it held on nice, yeah?
Yeah. Need a bit more.
While we're here, cannot ignore my car. Oh, look at that. Fastest stage 2 in the world, obviously.
Why are you taking pictures of your leg? Are you kidding?
So diving. So after 2 hours of trying to fix the trailer, again after Reese decided to break it, we managed to weld it together. It took us another 5 hours to get here, obviously including a cheeky Burger King run. So looking forward to tomorrow. Obviously we're going to try and get quite an early night's sleep because it's going to be an early start for tomorrow, but that was pretty insane. Never been here before, so it's quite exciting. Well, pretty excited for tomorrow.
I'm in the Cayman Islands wildin' while I'm bustin' up the silence. I'm denying all vaginas who be claiming that they rhyming. Bust up in it like a bando, way too much to handle. I should let you know I know my haters really fans though. Wow, yeah, why the hell you mad? Look, I'm just being me, surrounded with the bangs. You might take it on the dash, had it screaming like a man. Way ahead, you niggas, live your future in my past. Whip it like a flip phone, oh she loved it. All you niggas big bandwagons on my shit. No, you can hop up off that. I just got my sauce back. So way out my mother loving money.
So we've just arrived at Knockhill. It's around about 9:30 this morning. So we're going to be going out on track very soon. Nick's going to be taking the car around all day. We've got a trade stand set up. So hopefully we'll get to meet as many people as possible. I think there's quite a lot of Puma Speed cars and Revo cars, so it'll be interesting to see obviously how they compare to obviously our race car. I think again, same as Cadwell, the race car's running quite low power, so in the straights it might be a good little battle. But in the corners with the setup that we've got, I'm pretty confident that obviously it will, there'll only be one winner. The event's only starting at 10, but it's already absolutely hammered. Luckily, obviously, because we're sponsoring the event, we managed to sneak in, but the queues outside are absolutely huge. It'll be nice to see as many of the customers that we've got down this sort of way, and again, hopefully we'll get to see some decent action out on the track. So we'll flip to some footage of some of the cars that are here, and again, we'll try and get as much as possible for you. Fingers crossed we can get some decent footage of the race car going around the track as well.
I be hella lit, though, whip it hella loud. You can feel it from the 6th floor. I'm a Caribbean girl, shake it like a disco. I just had to lay it down for this girl. Yeah, let's go.
Just gone out, so the track's coming to over. I'm getting so many funny looks on people thinking it's that guy talking to his camera. That's incredible. So, don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not. It's absolutely hammered on the track. The trade stand has been absolutely hammered, so we've not really had that much time to get some footage, but I think Nick's going to go back out with this guy again in a moment. These cars are insane. There's a guy here that's got a Mark II Focus RS running over 1,000 horsepower apparently. It's absolutely immense, but these boys are sending these cars around the corners like don't give a care in the world.
We do need to go down to find that mark.